Hi everyone, Shane here at Southeast Motorcycles, bringing you a 2013 FLSTN Deluxe. So we'll give you a quick walk around. Really gorgeous two-tone with that white, pearl, and red. Red and badging. So you do have an engine guard on here with your highway pegs with the long bracket. Tapered floorboards. This does have a twin cam 103 stock exhaust. It does have some docking hardware if you want to add a sissy bar. Coming around the back. Coffin style. Rear tail light. Got a battery tender lead. You do have your rear pegs. And so there's your heel toe shifter coming up the left side of the tank. Leather's in pretty decent shape, and it's a little wear right here and here, but that's to be expected on a bike with this kind of mileage. I'll show it to you in a second. So there's the front with your headlamp and passing lamps. Chrome lower forks with nut cover. Axle nut cover. No ABS brakes. Looks like we got brand new tire on the front, so we must have put the brand new tire on. Our bikes do go through service. We do invest in our used bikes. I believe this also has a rear tire, brand new tire as well. So I know this bike has a lowering kit, so for someone with a shorter inseam or wants a low sitting bike, this is perfect. 45083 on your odometer. We'll fire it up for you. So if mileage is a concern, this bike being a 2013 with that mileage can still be warrantyable, so you can get extended warranty on this bike. If you have any other questions, visit our website southeastharley.com, or feel free to give me a buzz here, 440-439-5300, extension 302. We'd also love it if you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram at southeast.motorcycles. We also have our Facebook page. Please like us, Southeast Motorcycle Sales. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll talk to you real soon. Take care.